Joey had some 20-cent coins and 10-cent coins. When she used a third of them, okay, she had $9.60 left. She used half as many 20-cent coins as 10-cent coins. And remember, if you find it difficult to think of it in dollars, just think of it as pounds, and these would be 20p coins and these would be 10p coins. Okay, I'll be honest and say I don't really like this question because I think it does not make it clear all of the assumptions that it's making. But I will draw out how the answer implies that this question is working. Okay, so we've got 20-cent coins and 10-cent coins. So we should notice that sometimes we're talking about quantities of coins, and at other times we're talking about the value, the monetary value that those coins represent. So that's always going to be tricky, okay? So you do need to be careful. Now it says when she used a third of these coins, she had $9.60 left, okay? And she used half as many 20-cent coins as 10-cent coins. So if I do a model over here that's about the quantity of coins, yes, not the value. It said she used half as many 20-cent. So if I do, this is 20-cent coins, okay, and this is the 10-cent coins. All right, and again, although I've just put a little cent thing there, I'm talking about the quantity. So half as many 20-cent as 10-cent. So if this represents the number of 20-cent coins used, that is half the number of 10-cent coins used, okay? So that's the sort of proportion of coins used in terms of quantity of coins. Okay. And this is what they're all saying is this is a third of the coins, right? So this represents a third, 1/3 of the coins, okay? And when she uses a third of the coins, she has $9.60 left. And what's inferred is that the 2/3 of coins that are not spent are in these same proportions. Okay, so if you imagine so there we go. All right, like this. Okay, so these are the 2/3 that are not spent. Okay, and together they have a value. We're given a value of 960. And if we divide 960, if we divide that by 2, okay, we are given a value. We get 480. All right. So let's say one of these has a value of 480. Right. So then what they've done is to use that as the basis for just basically, using guess and check to see how we could use coins in these proportions to make 480. So we've got a table and we've got 20-cent coins, 10-cent coins, and then value. Okay, so we're making a table. All right, excuse me. So we can see that for every one 20-cent coin we use 2 10-cent coins. That's the proportion that we are given. So if we use, what are we doing? Let's say if we use 4 20-cent coins, we use 8 10-cent coins, because remember, this is about numbers of coins. So if this was 4, this would be 8. Okay, so if what's 4 times 20 cents, that is going to be 80 cents. And this is also going to be 80 cents. So 80 cents and 80 cents, that is going to be $1.60. Okay, that's not enough yet, is it? So we could go to 10. And if that is, if this is 10, what's this one going to be? Well, this is going to be 20. Okay, what's 10 times 20 cents? Well, that's going to be 200. That's also going to be 200. So you're going to have 400 cents, which is $4. What's our target? Our target is 480. Okay, we're getting there actually. I can see that 80 cents would be half of this. So we need to have, I think, 12 here. And then if we've got 12 here, what have we got? We've got 24 here. 12 here would be 240 cents. 24 here would also be 240 cents. And together that indeed would be 480. So that is our answer. That how many 20-cent coins did she use? Well, this is the answer to A. And how many 10-cent coins? That's the answer to B. So A is 12 and B is 24. Again, not a question I like terribly much, because I think it could have been worded better to make all of this clear.